All right, guys, December 5th, 2025. We've got a pretty nice Volvo machine here. It's a don't want to give you the year because I don't know exactly right now, but we'll look at the VIN plate there. But it is an ECR 145, and it's got a lot of good options on it, guys. Got that quick coupler. It's got the oxide hydraulics. It's also got a thumb mount up there, and it's got a really nice push blade. Also has the rubber tracks on it, guys. Rubber track inserts, you can do street work. It's also a zero turn. It's also got the backup camera there and the side cameras. So I guess it must be 360 cameras. Not sure, maybe it's just this one side. It does have the cameras. Nice straight sheet metal, guys. Recent hours that were done, 25:53 on the hours. The pumps seem to be clean. The vane pump also seems to be clean from Reeds. Undercarriage's got good life left. All those pins are still round on it. Look at the size of those cylinders for this blade, guys. Volvo did a real good job on their cylinders on these machines. On their design. All the cylinders on this machine I've found to be free of any leaks. Engine runs great and smooth. No blow by, no odd noises. Runs really nice. Again, straight sheet metal on this machine, guys. Also has the protection rail here. There's the VIN plate for you. Maybe already showed you that. So, pretty nice interior as well. Chair's in pretty good shape. It's showing to have 2,785 hours, and I have seen this meter move. And so I believe that's probably accurate hours, and with the shape of the machine, I could see that being accurate. So, without further ado, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a quick little preview of this machine working, and that way you guys can see what you want to see. All right, guys, check it out here on the ECR 130, or 145 rather. ECR 145. All right, check it out. As you can see, guys, I wanted to just show you what this machine can do. Got the nice push plate on it. It's got the tracks that are got the cleats on them. Guys, I want to just make a note about these tracks. Their tracks are in good shape. The final drives are in good shape. What's going on there is these tracks have been sitting for a while, and you can see they're bound up a little bit. It just needs to be worked. You know, this machine's been sitting and they get kind of rusted up. I've seen this many times in the past. Obviously those final drives have got plenty of power. I had it on the high speed. I could tell on the screen, but it needs to go on low speed, and someone needs to just work those tracks a little bit, guys. They're not in bad shape. But as you can see, guys, you're getting a lot for the money here on this machine. It's got real good hours, straight sheet metal, got the track pads on it, even though they may or may not be good in the best shape, but they seem to be pretty good for now. Probably go to work with those. Nice push plate, again, plumb with Ox hydraulics, and you can put a thumb on it very easily, and you get your quick connect there. It's also plumb for a quick connect in the cab, so if you wanted to run your lines and put a hydraulic quick connect on this machine, you could. So this thing's got a lot of options. So if you got any interest in this machine and you got any questions, please give us a call, 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALS. Thank you.